Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my videos. Now before we get started with today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to my girlfriend Aisha. She's the whole reason why I'm able to make this video. I'm gonna show you guys last year's Christmas gift that I got from her, and the only reason why I'm showing you guys this is because I do plan on putting the car on jack stands when I start painting it. I want to be able to get a good amount of height of the ground so that none of the overspray from the floor goes back into the panel. And with that being said, that is exactly what she got me. She got me this 6-ton jack stand. Now I have two 3-ton jack stands that I bought a while ago, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I left this outside in the rain maybe once or twice, and you can kind of see the rustiness already starting to happen around the whole jack stand. Now we don't have to worry about any of that because we got some brand new 6-ton jack stands. With jack stands you are able to adjust how high you want the car to sit, but right now these are both at their lowest points, and this one, just looking at it, it's gonna have a car sit so high off the ground, allowing us to have more space to work on under the car. What I like about this as well is that you can adjust it same like that one, but this one has an extra safety feature which allows you to lock, compared to this right here where I can keep making it go up. I can make it go down, but again, if I accidentally tap this, it'll fall, but with this it won't because that thing, it's locking it. So if I pull this out, then it'll fall down. I have one there, the other one there. I opened those in Christmas. I still have another box that I haven't opened, but so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the other box and I'm gonna show you guys what comes inside. Everything is disassembled, so you do gotta assemble it, but there's really nothing complicated about it. Here's the other one. Here's the jack itself. And again, you do get 2 jacks per box. Here is that second one. And can't forget the owner's manual. This is basically where you're gonna come to find in the box. 2 jack stands, and then the centerpiece right here. Each stand does already come with its own locking thing attached to it, so you don't gotta put it on yourself. It just comes hanging from it. I plan on putting those jack stands right here, and then putting the 3-ton ones in the middle. Tool cases right here I want to put down there. I'm basically just gonna switch where they both were. Nothing too complicated about that. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you guys how everything looks. I put all of the jack stands on top of the tool chest, and they look so cool right there, but they take so much space. I don't see myself keeping them there. But I put these 2 pieces of wood on top of this tool chest just so that it wouldn't scratch the paint on top. But I'm gonna put all 4 of those in each one of those corners. I went ahead and also put the tool boxes right here. That way we can easily access them if I need to. How do you think they look?
4 of them?
Yeah, I wonder who got them. Here, record me. I'm gonna put them where they belong. Persíganme, polinesios.
You're lying.
Look. Should I put the red ones in the middle, or should I just leave them how it is?
I mean, you can put them in the middle. I don't see why not. That way they can all be in one section. And then little tiny red ones.
Hold up. I'm gonna go get the other one. That way I can use that to put something else. Nice. What do you guys think of my setup? As of now, it's just gonna stay there since I'm not moving the car. But that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys the new jack stands. Like I said, Aisha did get them for me last Christmas, so shout out to her. I'll have her Instagram right here. I'm so excited to put these guys to use. I know for a fact that I am gonna have so much space under the car now. I mean, just look at that. We're going from that to that. If you guys like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Next time you guys see me, hopefully I'm working on the car which I'm pretty sure I'm going to be. But until then, peace out, my friends.